Okay, how much of your portfolio would you invest in Ethereum right now, today, if you are new to crypto? At around 3K, would you wait for a dip or just FOMO, knowing price will go up with the bulls? All right, very interesting question. Bill.
Okay. This is the weekly and perhaps eternal question, which is, hi, I just got here. What do I do? So let's go through the playbook. I think the best way to learn the system is to have small portions of your total portfolio in just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everyone I seem to talk to thinks that they have to show up at crypto, take all their money, and get it invested right away. What I suggest is take 10% of what you were going to put in and just put it and split it between Bitcoin and ETH and just watch it. And what will happen is your brain will just laser focus on the price action because your own money is involved. You know, if ETH goes up 10%, you'll be excited. If ETH dumps 10%, you'll be in a bad mood, even if it's a small amount of money. Now, I think it's worth it to wait by investing a small amount of money to learn the game. Because if ETH's going at 10,000, you don't want to be the person who put all your money in at one of Forrest's leveraged resistance points at 2,900, sold ETH at 2,200, only to have it turn around and go to 6,000. So put a little in so you learn. And that little bit of learning turns into a lot of profit later. Because as you get a feel for the game or as you get winning investments, you can start pushing more and more money in gradually. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Bill. First, how about you? What would you do if you're brand new to crypto?
Yeah, so if I can show my screen here, this is a difficult question because if we look at the regression bands that have historically signaled on Bitcoin, and I know your question's about Ethereum, but Bitcoin ultimately leads the entire bull market until something dethrones it and says otherwise. For right now, Bitcoin runs the market, right? So we are in this little bit of a bubble here. We're above the red regression band. We've been above it for quite a while now. But as you can see from where I've drawn these tops and the pattern that we get, the sharp test of the top and then the sharp decrease where Bitcoin doesn't come back and retest, it only hits the level once. It doesn't look like we're currently at one of those points. In fact, every time I've identified Bitcoin testing and retesting a certain price point, that price point being roughly $60,000 or so, Bitcoin has gone on to break through and rally against that price point, right? So this isn't a sharp test in a market top. It doesn't appear to be, at least, right? So we are in a bubble, and historically, when we're in a bubble, we do come back down to these yellow or green bands. The market does capitulate, enter a bear market eventually. That being said, it doesn't appear to be the worst time within this bubble to actually be putting some money in. If I didn't have any exposure to crypto at all, I would want exposure to the fastest growing asset class in the world right now, right? I think I had a chart up over here. This is total cryptocurrency market cap. This is an asset class that for the last 7 years has been experiencing exponential growth. So yes, absolutely, I would want some exposure. But like Bill said, that doesn't mean you have to throw FOMO all your money into ETH, right? You can diversify. You can buy some Bitcoin. You can buy some Ethereum. You can diversify into Cardano, Polkadot. You can pick up some small cap coins. You can pick up Matic. You can pick up some of the things that we're talking about, audio, right? But you don't have to do it all at once. You can also take profits later this market cycle and get your initial investment out if you do well. If the total cryptocurrency market cap 2x's, 3x's, 5x's, and some of the projects you're invested in 5x, 10x, or 15x, you can take your initial investment out and wait and not have to worry about potentially losing money. So would I FOMO everything in now? No, I'd probably start to pick and choose some places, maybe try to get it on some dips, but I definitely would want some exposure despite the fact that we're in a little bit of a bubble so far.
Yeah, so to answer the question, what I would do if I had my portfolio in Ethereum, I mean, I would put everything in Ethereum. If I'm brand new to crypto, as I mentioned before, I have no Bitcoin, right? So if I'm brand new to crypto, I would skip Bitcoin, go put everything into Ethereum. Ethereum is basically my store of value, my stable coin. And then I would look for other investments and just be patient, right? Whether it's taking my ETH and buying liquidity or buying perp or buying alpha or buying Polygon. But basically, the way I view it is my store of value is Ethereum because I'm bullish on Ethereum long term. I believe Ethereum will surpass Bitcoin in market cap and value. I think eventually we'll have a flippening where Ethereum is the biggest cryptocurrency in the world. So as a result of that, I would have everything in Ethereum. That's my ultra sound money, not Bitcoin, right? And not even stable coins, right? If I want stable coins, unless I'm going in and out, or unless I'm doing something to earn yield on stable coins, I wouldn't really be having any stable coins, right? So basically, I would have Ethereum, then I would look for other investments to make.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.